Hello and welcome to Easy Tutorials. In today's video we are going to dive into a quick and easy method for removing backgrounds from any image. Whether you're a designer, a content creator, or just someone looking to spruce up your photos, this technique will save you time and effort. We'll be using Adobe Express on their website, which offers a seamless and user-friendly experience. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Adobe Express website. You can find the link in the video description below. Once you are on the Adobe Express website, you will want to upload the image you want to remove the background from. You can usually do this by clicking on the Browse button or simply dragging and dropping your image onto the designated area. Now just sit back and relax as Adobe Express does its magic. It will automatically process your image to remove the background. The time it takes can vary depending on the complexity of the image, so be patient. After it's done, it's time to save your edited image. Look for the download option on the right. Click the download button and there you have it. Your edited image, now free from any background, will be saved to your device. It's that simple. And this is it. Removing backgrounds from images has never been easier. Thanks to Adobe Express on their website, you can quickly and effortlessly achieve professional looking results. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you can never miss an update. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with background removal, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy editing. Bye bye.